And now I'll record. The last concept in our derivative chapter is second order derivative. Now let us understand what is this order. ये second है तो first क्या था? तो अगर आपका function था y is equals to f of x, and then we used to take derivative of this. dy by dx was equal to f dash of x. ये actually था first order derivative. This was first order derivative. एक फंक्शन दिया है, उसका डेरिवेटिव निकाला, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव को इस तरह से भी दिखाया जाता है. देन कम सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, d2y by dx square. This is called as second order derivative. This is f double dash of x. तो आप जब डेरिवेटिव का डेरिवेटिव ले लोगे तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे आप? सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. अगर इसका आपने वापस डेरिवेटिव लिया तो फिर वो थर्ड ऑर्डर हो जाएगा, फोर्थ. एक्चुअली सेकेंड ऑर्डर के बाद सबको, या सेकेंड ऑर्डर से ही हम लोग उसको हायर ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव मतलब डेरिवेटिव का ही डेरिवेटिव लेते जाना है. बट वी हैव only up to second order, so we are only dealing with that. It is also denoted like this. Sometimes they also denote like this, y1, or it is given like this. So this is first order derivative. The second order is given like this. And so on. So second order derivative is simply derivative of derivative. Let us take an example to understand this process. Suppose your function is y is equals to x raised to 5. So first order derivative will be dy by dx is 5x raised to 4. अब इसी का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? d2y by dx square is 5 into 4 x cube, that is 20x cube. ये हो गया आपका सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. देन y is equals to, suppose it is root x, तो ये क्या होता है? y is equals to x raised to 1 by 2. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? dy by dx 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2. और एक बार अगर आपने इसका डेरिवेटिव निकाला तो क्या आएगा? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that will become minus 3 by 2. So this can be also written as minus 1 by 4 x root x, because we know very well that x raised to 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 upon root x. X raised to, sorry, minus 1 by 2 is 1 upon root x. X raised to 3 by 2 is x root x. X raised to minus 3 by 2 means what? 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2. That is 1 upon x root x. We know this. We have already done all these things. No, उस हिसाब से ये उसका डबल डेरिवेटिव आ गया. And this will go on. हमको सिर्फ डबल डेरिवेटिव तक ही है तो हम लोगों ने सिर्फ उतना ही किया है. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि डबल डेरिवेटिव तक ही होता है. यू कैन हैव ऑल अदर फर्दर डेरिवेटिव्स आल्सो. एक बार डेरिवेटिव निकालने के बाद जब आप वापस उसका ही उस डेरिवेटिव का डेरिवेटिव निकालते हो तो वो हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव बन जाता है. लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. You have to find d2y by dx square for y is equals to e raised to x. तो dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. e raised to x का तो e raised to x ही है. और d2y by dx square क्या हो जाएगा? e raised to x. Same. Now for composite function, suppose y is equals to e raised to 2x plus 1. तो dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? d dx of e raised to 2x plus 1 into d dx of 2x plus 1. So this is e raised to 2x plus 1 into 2. This is your second order derivative. This was your first order derivative. अब इसी का वापस डेरिवेटिव निकालना है. So d2y by dx square is equals to 2. Again आप इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालोगे तो वो वापस कॉम्पोजिटिव बनेगा d dx of e raised to 2x plus 1 into d dx of 2x plus 1. That is 2 e raised to 2x plus 1 into 2. Your answer is 4 e raised to 2x plus 1. So this is your double derivative. आप इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो क्योंकि ये था ना ओरिजिनल सम और इधर भी यही आया है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट एज 4y. d2y by dx square is 4y. यहाँ पे भी d2y by dx square is y. You can also write it. Now it will depend. अगर उन्होंने prove that बोला होगा तो हम लोग इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Let us take one more. y is equals to e raised to log x. ये भी तो composite है. So what is dy by dx? d dx of e raised to log x into d dx of log x. So e raised to log x is e raised to log x. d dx of log x is 1 by x. So this will become dy by dx. आता डेरिवेटिव काढायचा असेल याचा पुन्हा तो आप क्या करोगे, इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालोगे तो ये क्वोशंट रूल से आएगा. तो d2y by dx square will become x into d dx of e raised to log x into d dx of log x minus e raised to log x into d dx of x whole thing upon x square. So this is x e raised to log x. Log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x minus e raised to log x. हे 1 येईल whole thing upon x square. This x will get cancelled. And your answer will get 0. There is one more method of solving this. Y is equals to e raised to log x is nothing but y is equals to x. I'll prove this. If I take log here, then it will be log y is equals to log e raised to log x. So it will be log y is equals to log x into log e. Log e is 1. So you will get log y is equals to log x. Log निकाल दिया तो y is equals to x. तो dy by dx क्या आएगा? 1 और d2y by dx square 0. मैंने ऐसे नहीं किया, इस मेथड से किया. Still I am getting the answer 0. We have finished exercise 3.6 here.